Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Shaquan Moultrie, and welcome to this brand new video in 2024, and it's around summertime. And we're in July, and today is July 16th on a Tuesday, okay? So, the reason why you watch this video is because you want to learn about affiliate marketing, right? Well, let me tell you something, guys. I've been an affiliate marketer for about 5 years, and yes, it completely helped me. And it could definitely do the same for you. But that's if you are serious, if you really want to take massive action and not sit around and not do nothing. You have to be able to put in the work to able to see some results, okay? Because 9 out of 10, a lot of people think that everything might be easy to them. No, it's not. I thought that too, but I had thought it the wrong way. So instead of me doing the wrong way, I completely changed that. So I was failing for a minute. But now I'm not failing. It's because I found a way how to manage myself and learn how to market other brands and services to make commissions. I found a way how to do that, but I'm going to show you on a different video on next time. But for most of you guys that's looking for a way to make some money online and you really want to make some serious income, then please do me a favor right now. Like this video, comment down below where you're from. Let me know and how you like this video, okay? And make sure you turn on those notification bells as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to do affiliate marketing. So, without that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so guys, since you land on this page, what I want you to do right now, enter your email, okay? So let me go over this website opportunity for you, all right? It's called the OSP system, okay? So it's called, I'm gonna say this, the one simple affiliate marketing system that spits out automatic commissions for life. Thousands of verified testimonials. There's thousands of people that's been making money with affiliate marketing, guys. I'm telling you, affiliate marketing would blow your mind. I'm telling you, this would change your life. Like, this would definitely change your life if you're really serious about it. Because I'm telling you, if you really put your mind into it and do the work, then you will see results. Okay? I'm not gonna say you're gonna get rich overnight, because that could be possible. That's impossible if you get rich overnight. You gotta have some serious money to do that if you really want to get rich overnight. But that's not what the video is about. Let's not get rich quick. Everybody has to start where they have to start from, okay? So that's where I have to start from. I have to start from low to getting high, okay? So basically, that's how it works, all right? So basically, guys, do me a favor. Create your free OSP system account, okay? Tell us where your email login details. That means put the right email in there. It could be a Gmail or Yahoo, okay? But make sure you put your email in there, okay? Because this is very important, guys. You do not want to miss this opportunity. I'm telling you. So, I'm going to log into my back office, as you can see right now. So, this is where you're going to be logged in once you sign up, okay? So once you get that email notification that you just signed up, it's going to have you to verify yourself and sign up, and then continue to, to see what's inside the back office, okay? So before I log in, there's a couple things that I want to tell you guys. So number one thing that you really need to know, as you become an affiliate, you don't want to just grab your affiliate link and then start spamming it on Facebook. That's not the proper way to do affiliate marketing. This is how affiliate marketers fail, because 99% affiliate marketers fail is because they grab their link and then they start posting it on Facebook, and that's how they get banned. And then Facebook restrict them from their own account, and then this is why they get banned and then they get suspended. Then guess what? Then you'll lose your account because you should have never did that. So you gotta always be careful, be cautious about what you're about to do, because I'm about to show you what's in this back office, okay? And I'm gonna show you proof of what I made so far. All right. So if you guys liking this video and you like what I'm saying, then continue to give a thumbs up and continue to subscribe if you're new here. Because for real, this is all about making money, guys. This is all about how to make money with affiliate marketing. Guys, it's not hard. You have to put your mind into it. Stop thinking that you're going to make money overnight. No, you're not. You got to do it the right way. I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? And how to become an affiliate marketer for the very first time. Because most people that I know that's been struggling and still haven't learned, they never implemented the strategies that what a person is teaching them. Never pay attention to it. And this is why affiliate marketers fail, because they never pay attention. Because what they're doing is grabbing their affiliate link and posting it on Facebook. And this is how they get their Facebook restricted, suspended, and banned. And you can no longer get in your account no more, because they restrict you from it, and you can't no longer get on your account until you make another one. But you guys, you don't want to risk that, okay? So I'm going to show you in this video how to do it the right way, okay? How to promote it the right way. Because there's videos on here that's going to teach you and show you how to promote your affiliate links as a beginner. So most of you guys who probably don't know nothing about affiliate marketing, you're watching the video right now as I'm talking to you and as I'm showing you and telling you about this affiliate marketing program. So enough me saying a lot of things. Let's just get right into the video and let me show you. All right. So once you get into your back office, guys, you'll see that you have your dashboard, your commissions, your leads, your buy traffic, points and prizes, and my points. Okay, these over here. What you see, say what's going on. This tells you how many commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So 609 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. So a lot of affiliates of mine has been getting paid. Okay, so guys, this system, like I said, sign up with this automated system now. The link will be in the description down below. And what I want you to do, pay for it, okay? It's only $7. $7 one time will get you you 7 streams of income off of one link. Okay? Here, let me show you. Let me show you something. Let me show you some proof, okay? So you'll know what I'm talking about. Alright, so what you see right here, this is my balance, $24, okay? Total earnings. That's $24 in balance. Withdrawal balance is $23.50. So I have to withdraw $50 to able to withdraw first time, okay? But guys, this is what I've been doing, okay? You get paid to comment. You get paid 25%, 25 cent per comment every time when you submit it, okay? So every time when you comment and you submit it, you get paid 25 cents. So that adds up even more. So that totals up. And then on top of that, let me show you even more better than this. Let me go back to the dashboard. All right. So once you get access, right, what you're gonna do, you're gonna get access to step 1. You're gonna watch a little presentation video, and his name is Wayne Crow. He is the CEO founder of the OSP system, and this is run by him, and he is the CEO founder of the OSP system. And what he does for us and ourselves, he gave us a system to resell rights to resell the system for only $7. So he give us resale rights to sell the product for $7. Okay, and this is what you get. You get 7 income streams. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means you get 7 income streams that that's going to be helping you. Okay. So basically, for instance, guys, right now I have $17 and CD Pro commissions. Okay. So that means I could comment at any time. Okay. So right now I don't have no comments, but let me show you what's been proved. When you see all of this that's been assigned, that commissions has been signed, that means what's in green, that means you got paid. Okay. That means you got paid a commission. That means you earn a commission of 25 cents each time when you comment on Wayne Crowe. Okay, when you comment on his page on Facebook, then that's when you start getting paid a commission of 25 cents. Okay, so basically you're gonna get paid $7.25. Okay, so that's what it is, guys. That's what I'm showing you in this video. All right. So if you like what I said, then please like this video and continue to subscribe. All right. So guys, it's only $7 one time, and really though, you need a Facebook account. So if you have a Facebook account, what you can do, you can go through the training that's going to show you about how to market this automated system. Okay, you have to do the work to able to see results. All right, so if you want this system, go ahead and click the first link in the description down below where you can get access to it. Okay, and create your free account and upgrade as automatically. This is a one-time payment, $7. All right, you can make that back. All right, so if you want to make some good money, then you have to put in the work. All right, so go ahead and click the link in the description, and I'll see you guys on the other side. So thank you for allowing me to showing this video to you guys, to present this video to you guys about how the system works. Okay, because this is affiliate marketing, guys, where you can make money all over the world. Okay, you can be traveling and making money while you out having fun, doing whatever you love to do. How would you like to wake up to a $2,000 sale? Okay, to a $2,000 commission. How would you like to wake up for that? Think about that. Let me know in the comments and what you think about this video. Because if you really like this video and you want to learn more about this business opportunity, then go ahead and make sure you get started today. So without further ado, my name is Shaquan Moultrie, and I'm glad to be back on here for the first time. All right? So I miss you guys, and continue to subscribe. Let's get up to 1,000 subscribers, please. If we hit 1,000 subscribers, then that'd be good. And I'm going to start doing giveaways pretty soon. So if you want to stick around for that, please subscribe. All right? Because I am going to start doing giveaways pretty soon. All right? And I'm going to be doing booking calls. So basically, if you want to book a call with me on Zoom, you're more than welcome. But you have to subscribe and like this video and comment where you're from, and let me know what you think about this video. Okay? And let me know what you think about this automated system and how you want to get started and how you want to start making money online as a complete beginner. But you don't have to be smart at it. You don't have to do mathematics for all this. All you need to do is have a laptop with internet connection to get the job done, and watch the training videos that's going to show you all about how to market your affiliate marketing business. So once you're done with that, You're going to step up to step 2, step number 2, and then step number 3. Then once you're done with all that, and then you got some more stuff that you're going to get access to, okay? You get access to the Facebook 101. That's going to teach you everything about how to promote your Facebook marketing system, okay? So that's all I want to show you guys right now, okay? So make sure you take a look of all these, okay? Just check one by one and watch the training, because this is going to help you make your first commission, okay? So if you really want to implement this system, then go ahead and join this automated system with me, because I'm willing to help you out. And if you need some advice or anything, or if you want me to help you promote it or something, I'm willing to help you with that also. So go ahead and click the link, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.